happy birthday to my lovely eldest daughter, Anne. As the eldest, you have always been responsible, a role model, and a good example to your younger sister. You are doing great and I'm very, very proud of you, anak. Salamat pala nung mga time na kailangan ko ng kaagabay. Ikaw yung andyan. Ikaw yung aking shoulder to cry on. Salamat sa pagiging mabuti at mabait na anak. Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa mga kapatid mo. Ikaw yung naging tatay at nanay nila nung mga panahon na wala ako sa tabi ninyo. At mahal na mahal kita, anak. Stay stronger because God always watches over you. Alam ko na kaya mo yan. You can reach your goal. Malaki ang tiwala ko sa iyo at kumpiyansa ko sa iyo. Wish you all the best. Stay pretty, humble, and kind to everyone. Keep God always in your heart and be a good wife, mom, daughter, and a sister to our family. Wish you all the best. And again, anak, happy birthday. I love you. Enjoy your day. Bye. God bless. I love you so much and I miss you. See you soon, anak. I love you. Bye.
Hi ate, alam ko lang is, alam mo naman ito kami sa hotel. Wala rin time na mag-ayos kasi nasa kotse lang naman kami. Pero, I just wanna wish you a happy birthday. We love you from me, Carrie, and Jeff.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Wish ko lang na sana maging malakas ka for your family and lagi lang kami nandito para sa'yo. Love you!
Oh, hello! Anan, my beautiful niece. Wishing you a beautiful day with a good health and happiness and forever. Hope you have a wonderful time and filled with laughter and happiness. Happy birthday, Ann! Happy birthday! Bye!
Hello, Mami Ann. Okay, time check. It's 12:11 midnight of May 5. So this your special day. We just want to greet you. Happy birthday, Mami Ann. Huwag papaka-stress. Ayan mo na lang na ako yung may stress para looking young ka palagi. Then, ang wish namin sa'yo, especially sa akin, ang wish ko sa'yo is sana matupad mo na yung wish mo sa sarili mo, which is maging 50 kilos. Okay. Seriously, sana mami matupad mo yung goal mo. 4 years from now, magiging registered pharmacist ka na. And hopefully, in God faith, ma-hit natin lahat yung goal natin sa buhay, especially yung mga plano natin sa mga bata. And ayun, stay pretty and wishing you good health, more birthdays to come, and God bless. Love you. We love you, Mami Ann. It's Hannah's turn. Go.
Happy birthday,
Saan mo?
Mommy. Thank you sa mga ginagawa mo sa akin nila Kyle at Kuya Ron. Sana tumupad yung sinasabi mo pumayat ka at wala katapusan. Ang ganda mo, Mommy. And mabait ka, Mommy. And
May question ka. May question ako sa'yo.
sasabihin ako. Last pala, Mami.
Tasan mo.
Maganda ka, mabait ka, magaling ka sa exam mo. Ito, may sasabihin ako, Mami.
Go.
Love, stars, takot ang usagatan.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy 36th birthday. More birthdays to come.
God bless.
God bless, Mommy.
Happy 36th birthday din, Mommy. To my beautiful young mother queen from Prince Ron and to Mother Queen Anne.
Love you.
Mahal na mahal ka naming tatlong magkakapatid at ni Daddy. At thank you din sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa amin, Mami. At yun lang, Mami. At sana matupad ang wish mong below 55 kilos. Happy 36th birthday, Mother Queen. Yun lang lahat, Mami. More blessings to come. Yun lang, Mami.
Happy birthday, Ate Ann! Happy birthday, Ann! Papansit ka na. Susugurin ka namin dyan, ah. Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hello, An. Happy birthday! Ang wish ko para sa iyong kaarawan ay sana'y matupad lahat ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay, lalo na sa mga anak mo, and more blessing pa na darating sa buhay mo, sa buhay niyo. Again, happy birthday from your pinakamaganda na auntie. Ay, mali. Isa sa mga pinakamaganda sa 10 mong auntie. Oy, sister, ibaba mo na yung kilay mo. Kinorek ko na yung sinabi ko. Happy birthday,